Okay, so I don't really like to touch these topics where I talk about personal messages or personal questions, but I really need to talk about this topic. Why it is really fucking important to have somebody to guide you through it, to have a mentor, to have somebody that you can learn from, because this is exactly the proof that you can lose way more money by trying to learn something on your own. This guy literally just lost $18,000, $18,000 just to find a little bit of profitability within the markets. Trading is not simple. Trading is not that easy. It's not something that you're just gonna find the way on YouTube. It is really not. It's really fucking painful, and it can literally change your whole mood throughout the whole day just by one simple trade. You have to learn from somebody that already knows and has a duplicatable system. That's why it's very important to have somebody guide you through it. And I'm not making this video to speak badly upon that person, because I know everybody's situation might be different. But I was there too, like, trust me, like when I barely started how to day trade, I was literally gambling my barber money away. I was literally just be cutting hair, and then I would take trades, hoping that it would go green, and then I would lose the fucking trades. Imagine how I was feeling for 1 year, just literally trying to figure it out by myself, working my ass off barbering, and then the money that I would be making barbering, I would just reinvest it into day trading, and then I would lose it. Why? Because I didn't have a simple, duplicatable strategy that I could learn from. And I know a lot of people have gone through the same stuff. They think you can do it on your own. They think you can do this by yourself. You can Google it just on YouTube. It is not that simple, trust me. And if you think you tough like that, if you think you got it like that, then I'll invite you to try it by yourself. And then let me know how much money you lose by not having a system that works. And that's exactly the reason why I've created Day Trading Academy. Because in the beginning, I didn't know how to trade. Yes, you can learn, you can buy some courses out there, you can buy some mentorships, some courses. But at the end of the day, let's be completely honest, nobody is going to live trade with you every single day in the mornings. So you have two options. If you want to have somebody to buy their course, you can buy their course. The course, okay, you have their course, but now what's next? You're gonna be left alone in the market with having no idea of how to properly execute, and you are still going to have to make some mistakes while you learn your curve through that strategy that you bought from that course. Or you have another option. You find somebody that live trades with you every single day, so you can just copy their setups and use them to your own profitability, and then learn from that person, because you need somebody to watch their trades and see the strategy, see if it really works, and see how profitable is consistently every single week, every single month, and every single quarter. So you have to understand that if you don't find a strategy that is profitable every single week, every single month, and every single quarter, that strategy does not work, and it's not going to make you profitable. So you have to understand that. And the only way to find it is through a person that shows you with full transparency how he operates in the market, which is exactly what we do at Day Trading Academy. In Day Trading Academy, you are taking the same setup with me. I'm literally inviting you through a Zoom call, a video Zoom. So you jump into my own computer, I share my computer, and I share the same setup, the exact same setup that I'll be taking that morning. And you take it with me. If you win, you win, and if you don't, you don't. But we're always profitable with Day Trading Academy. Always. We might have some L days, but at the end of the day, week after week, month after month, we are still profitable. So that's why I have around 52 students on Day Trading Academy. So if you want to learn how to day trade the right way, you want to learn, if you don't know Spanish or you don't know English, I have 2 courses, both in English and Spanish. But the courses, they're really nothing. Like, everybody can give you courses. My courses are actually free, like they're just bonuses. What you're really paying for is basically having me trade in front of you, so you take the same setups that I'm taking, and I guarantee you that you're gonna become profitable taking the same setups that I take, because I've been doing this for 3.5 years, so I can confidently say that you can learn from me. So if this is something that you want to do, you want to jump into day trading and you want to get started, send me a DM with DM trade. Yup, that was today's trade with zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. That's a good ass fucking hitter. So, like I said, if you guys want to get started day trading, send me a message with the word trading, and then I'll send you all the information that you need to get started. If this is something that you want to do, you can do it on the side. You don't need a computer for this. You can do it off your phone. So if you have any questions, shoot me the questions.